Hello everybody, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. We appreciate positive comments and a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel too. Today we are talking a little bit more about the BlitzWolf 10,000 milliamp power bank. And let's get to it. Here it is. It comes with a user manual, micro USB cord, and here is the 10,000 milliamp power bank. Look, it's black and it looks like carbon fiber. And this goes all the way around. And to figure out the size of this, it is about the size if you were to place your iPhone on top, the same size. This has Qi charging, so you can place your phone up here and charge it wirelessly. That's what we really like about this. And remember, it's 10,000 milliamps. Here is the power button, and once you click that, it will show you your LED indicator lights of how much power you have left. Then on the top, we have a micro USB, we have USB, and USB Type-C connection there. It's a very sturdy sounding product. This is from BlitzWolf. It offers 10,000 milliamps, and guess what? You can charge up to 3 devices at one time. You can do a wireless charging, and you can plug in 2 items here. So you are really never out of power with BlitzWolf 10,000 milliamp power bank.